When you search for the best all-season truck tires, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Fullway HP 108. First up is the Fullway HP 108 all-season truck / SUV performance radial tire. Priced at $96.93, this tire caught my attention because it's labeled a bestseller with an impressive 4.5-star rating from over 13,600 reviews. If you want reliable performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This tire is designed for trucks and SUVs, making it a solid choice if you're hauling or towing. The 4-ply construction offers a sturdy build that supports heavy loads. With a UTQG rating of 380 AA, you can expect decent tread wear and all-season performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The all-season capability means you can confidently drive in rain or light snow without worrying about losing traction. Plus, at nearly 30 inches in diameter, it fits a variety of vehicles, enhancing your truck's handling and stability. Now, some people complained about the lack of specific tread life information. Here's the thing though, while that might seem like a deal breaker, many users rave about its durability and performance over time, suggesting you're likely still getting your money's worth. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet reliable tire for everyday driving. Skip this one if you need something specialized for extreme conditions, but for general use, it's a great value. Product number 2, Starfire Solaris HT. Next up, we have the Starfire Solaris HT all-season tire, which retails for $128.40 and boasts a 4.6-star rating from 4,400 reviews. What caught my eye is the generous 50,000-mile warranty, which shows confidence in the product's longevity. If you want a tire that promises a long lifespan and excellent performance, this one's definitely worth considering. This tire is made for SUVs and pickups, and it's designed for a quiet ride with even tread wear, meaning less road noise and better comfort during those long drives. The M+S rating indicates it can handle mud and snow, which is crucial for those unpredictable weather days. Here's why this matters. You won't have to worry about slippery roads or uneven terrain, making it perfect for both city and off-road adventures. However, a few users mentioned that it can struggle a bit in deep snow. Here's the truth. While it's rated for mud and snow, if you frequently drive in heavy winter conditions, this might not be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you want a tire that balances comfort and durability for everyday driving. Skip this if you live in a region with harsh winters where you might need a more specialized tire. Product number 3, Fullway HS266. Moving on, let's talk about the Fullway HS266 all-season truck / SUV performance radial tire, priced at $133.93. It has a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 1,600 reviews. If you're after performance and value, this one is worth checking out. This tire is designed to handle the demands of trucks and SUVs, featuring a Load Range XL rating that supports heavier payloads without compromising on safety. The 4-ply construction adds to its durability, ensuring it holds up under stress. Here's why this matters. If you're often carrying heavy loads or towing, you need a tire that won't let you down. The UTQG rating of 420 AA indicates good tread life, which is essential for maintaining traction and safety over time. However, some users reported that it could be a bit noisy at higher speeds. Here's the thing. If you prioritize a quiet ride over rugged performance, this might not be your top choice. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable tire for heavy-duty tasks without overspending. Skip this one if you're looking for something that prioritizes a quiet ride over durability. Product number 4, Fullway HP 108 set of 2. The next option is a set of 2 Fullway HP 108 all-season tires, priced at $199.97. With a 4.7-star rating from 926 reviews, this set is a great deal if you're looking to replace more than one tire. What impressed me is how well it performs for the price, making it a solid value. These tires are also designed for trucks and SUVs and come with a Load Range XL rating, ensuring they can bear heavy loads while maintaining performance. The four-ply construction gives you peace of mind that they're built to last. Since they're all-season, you can rely on them for year-round driving, adapting well to changing weather conditions. On the downside, some users mentioned that they found the tires a bit heavier than expected. Here's my perspective. While a heavier tire can impact fuel efficiency slightly, the trade-off is often worth it for the added durability and performance. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a set of reliable tires that won't break the bank. Skip this if you need a lightweight option for better fuel efficiency. Product number 5, Evolux Capricorn. Finally, we have the Evolux Capricorn 4 by 4HP all-season tire, which retails at a budget-friendly $81.08. With a 4.6-star rating from 859 reviews, it's an excellent option if you're looking for quality without the hefty price tag. What caught my attention is the impressive 55,000-mile tread life, which is quite remarkable for an all-season tire. This tire is built for SUVs and trucks, featuring a load range XL rating, so it can handle heavier payloads with ease. The four-ply construction adds durability while maintaining performance on various terrains. Here's why this matters. You want a tire that can perform well, whether you're navigating city streets or venturing off the beaten path. However, some users noted that it may not perform as well in extreme weather conditions. Here's the thing. If you're mostly driving in mild weather, this tire should serve you well, but it might not be the best for heavy snow or ice. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable tire that still offers decent performance. Skip this if you frequently drive in harsh winter conditions. So there you have it. The Fullway HP 108 is great for affordability. The Starfire Solaris HT offers a long warranty. The Fullway HS 266 is perfect for heavy-duty tasks. The Fullway HP 108 set of 2 provides value, and the Evolux Capricorn stands out for budget-savvy buyers. Each of these has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all deliver performance at a reasonable price.